All right, guys, good afternoon. It is Friday, and it is a beautiful wrap to the work week. We go outside to our live sky view camera out in Hampton. Not a cloud in the sky there. Beautiful sunshine. It is still a little bit chilly, but certainly already warmer than where we were yesterday when we topped out in the lower 60s. So after a cold start this morning, leading to a warm and sunny afternoon. I say warm just because we'll be just a degree or two above our average high in the mid to upper 60s today. We'll top out around 70. We're going to split the weekend right down the middle. Saturday will be the better half, but it's not going to be picture perfect or at 10 out of 10. We do have a few clouds that'll move on through, and the very isolated chance of a pop-up shower or two. The more widespread, heavier rain likely in here on Sunday with a cold front combined with a coastal low that'll start to develop. Right now, we're already up to 65. Winds are now out of the south, and that's behind the little bit of a warm-up out there. Look at the dew point, though. Still very low and very comfortable. 64 in Smithfield down to Ahoskie, 65 in Newport News, 66 Williamsburg to Elizabeth City, 65 at the ocean front, and up along the eastern shore in Watchpreek at 62. High pressure's in a good spot for us today off the southeastern coastline, driving those winds out of the south, coupled with an incoming cold front. So we're kind of getting wedged in between the two, and that warm flow is going to be influencing us today and tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the warmest, topping out in the mid-70s. But then this front arrives, is actually going to scoop up moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico and help to develop a pretty potent coastal storm that'll scoop right on by us and bring us some rain here on Sunday. As it looks here through the rest of the afternoon, crystal clear sunny skies. It's beautiful out there. Upper 60s to around 70. And then tonight, with the continued southerly flow, we won't be nearly as cool. On top of that, we'll have a few clouds rolling on in, and that'll act a little bit as a blanket pretty much, and kind of insulating us and keeping us a little bit warmer. In through the day tomorrow, you see the clouds moving on through, but temperatures into the mid-70s, and you see a few little speckles of green there, indicating that slight risk of that shower. But notice the clouds really increase, lower and thicken, and we see the rain chances increasing through the day on Sunday, although that particular model is kind of keeping that risk minimal, although still not the nicest of days. How much rain can we expect? Half inch, 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch, inch and a quarter in some spots. Really depends on if you get stuck under one of the heavier downpours. So we're going to watch that closely. 75 Saturday. Behind that system, we drop down just a little bit by Monday into the 60s. Today, 70 warm temperatures and sunny skies. And then tonight, we're down to 55, a little bit cooler inland. We'll call it partly cloudy, not nearly as chilly. And there's your weekend outlook. Mid-70s on Saturday, we'll call it partly cloudy. That slight risk of an isolated shower. And then into Sunday, more widespread rain, maybe even the risk of a rumble of thunder or two as that system comes on through. On the other side of it, I think it clears out quickly by Monday. Halloween itself looking pretty good, partly cloudy, and temperatures in the mid to upper 60s.
That's so nice. It's not freezing. We could actually enjoy it.
Exactly. And by the time we trick-or-treat time, 50s. Not bad.
Okay, good.
Oh, there you go.
Perfect.
Good for you.